okay, we are in New Me. Am I old fashioned or am I not liking this? Satyanji? Both. Am I old fashioned, Satyanji? I have good fashion sense. Let's wear that. What?
The open one.
No.
Off shoulder one.
No.
See.
Nothing is fully covered.
Exactly. That's what we call old fashion.
West Side Surrey City got best collection, guys. I don't know, they changed their whole outlet and they got the best collection right now. And I got a super cute dress I'll be wearing today. You know what struggle, guys? Just finding your bike after parking. 85. Yes, I'm all ready. I got this cute gym, you can see. They're cute, right? So let's go. Got some flowers. Just like me. I know. No, it's coming pretty with sunlight, but okay. Hi guys! Today in my YouTube channel I have a new character, a very special to my heart. My best friend since 2 years now. She's a little camera shy, so
I am not, but
you can only hear her voice in the vlog. Oh, this is very pretty, guys. I've never been here too. I have lived in Hyderabad since like a year now. Hi, Ashika. Hi. Yes, so abhi we are thinking to click some pictures, and I have my model. Anshika, see how pretty. Ye le lo.
It's okay to meet me at the front line. I've got cold feet, winter drives me wild. I can't fly down on the Friday. I was meant to meet you at your mom's house, so I apologize.
Yes, now we are leaving to social. We'll go there and have dinner and go. Yes, that's a good weekend.
I crave dosa, sambar so much now.
Have you tried Rameshwaram Cafe then?
Bangalore, no?
Here also.
Here I tried. In Bangalore also I tried.
Yeah.
Bangalore and I liked. Oh. And yeah, फिर I crave ramen bowl. Ramen खाया तूने?
नहीं.
वो थोड़ा वैसा होता
I don't like little mid cooked. Yeah.
I get it. वो कभी-कभी अच्छा होता है, not always.
So now we are thinking to go to social, but we might go to Telugu medium too. It can be anything, but it's hot here. It's very hot because of Anshika.
No, it's not.
So we are finally here in Antara Courtyard. It's in financial district. So let's try the food. Now you know how it is. Dina, while we made our food vlogging. These days I'm making food vlogging videos. So this is Gongura Paneer Pakodi, if I'm right. So I'll be tasting it. This is very different. It's good that I never had this. Dinner date के लायक नहीं हूँ मैं. I am messy girl. Oh, this is nice.
येलो वाला तो येलो वाला अच्छा लगा.
मुझे भी समझ नहीं आ रहा है. This yellow chutney, they gave something which is actually good. So I made Anshika ate. Murta papu avakaya annam with pachi pulusu. So for me it's favorite.
It's like khichdi.
It's not khichdi. तो मैं अचार की टेस्ट आ रही है.
बहुत ज़्यादा अचार डाला हुआ है ना.
हाँ.
So we eat khichdi with achar in North India. I don't know. You have to eat it proper khichdi ना. दाल and rice वाला.
हमारे घर में बहुत बनता है. Delhi girl craving Andhra food and liking it. I love it. It was a great place and we had good food. And yes, now we are thinking to go for dessert, but I have no idea if we are going or not. Let's see. That's it for today, guys. Yeah. Bye. Meet you tomorrow. Where are we going? Denis and your compliance issues. Sharou. There है हमारी सत्यांशी the rider, and we are going out just to have some dinner. And I'm having a terrible headache, so I just wanted to go on a ride, and this girl will be taking. We are thinking what to eat. What to eat? Sattu?
Same question. What do you want? ये क्या अच्छा मिलता है? कितनी बार आई है? You should know.
मैं कितनी बार नहीं आई हूँ. मैं लास्ट टाइम जब आई हूँ, I had chicken.
Must try it.
Oh, I wanted Sattu to try something from Bhimavaram. So here they have Bhimavaram atta, if you see. So I wanted her to try Gutti Vankai Pulao, which she have no idea what it is. Right? So are you excited to try Gutti Vankai Pulao?
Yeah.
So this is Gutti Vankai's Pulao, and here I have Sattu.
It smells
it's so good.
It is. I really wish I eat it in prawns, but as Sattu is vegetarian, we decided to have veg, but it's okay. Vankai is my favorite. Please taste and let me know how do you like Bhimavaram's pulao.
अरे ये स्पून अच्छा नहीं है हमको चम्मच तो मस्ती का.
This is exactly how it is.
It is so
They killed it. You have to try. This is here in some drive-in near DLF, Bhimavaram Adda. If you see back, just come and try. This is exactly how biryani is from Bhimavaram taste, guys. I am very proud of my place. What Guttu Vankai is.
banged in, no?
हाँ ये समझ गई तेलुगु अब. So good. What next? So here we are, 99 pancakes. After we had pulao, it was blast. Guys, we just finished it in like 8 minutes. And then we decided to have some dessert. So here we are in 99 pancakes to have waffles. So I ordered Nutella and Satyanji is having chocolate waffles. Yes, let's wait. And after waffle, we'll be having coffee. Right?
It was not that good, but okay, like
Eatable.
yeah,
Eatable.
If you don't have any option, you can come.
So comfortable, and no one seems to hold me like you do.
This is pretty Hyderabad. Oh my god.
So
I'm going to miss
so many days
Hyderabad.
of finding Hyderabad pretty again. I missed it. Like after months, I have come out to this diet.
They still
So
see
pretty.
light.
Just go straight.
The birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still.
That's it, guys. I'll meet you in the next vlog, maybe. I mean, next day, tomorrow, or this weekend. How was?
Best time.
Yep. Bye.
Walk into the place, dispatch you from
The struggle we are going through just to have pani puri, guys. It's raining and the roads are flooded, but still we went to have pani puri and now we're going back. Heels gaya barbaad. Mera jeans pant gaya barbaad. It's okay. It was worth it, I can say, but it's okay. Hyderabad is still pretty and raining. You know, this is one kind of an experience I would like to have. See, the struggle.
lost and in a daze. I caught your sudden gaze, and time it started racing. But moments tend to fade, and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my way.